Okay, so I'm just finishing off the other side, which I've done. You've seen the left side, which I've done here, and now I just had to even it out a little bit. So now you can see with the full beard done, and I'm actually really pleased with the result. You can see it's a lot darker. There's still a little bit of a tiny couple of grays, but I think I've covered like at least 90% just in a very short time, and it was very easy to use, which was great. I'm very impressed with this product, the Menfirst Darkening Hair Pomade, which you can use on your beard and your hair. So the next product I'd really like to get into is the one I started with, and how I became to know about Menfirst, the product. So this is a 3-in-1 shampoo, very good for 3 things. So to cleanse the hair, to basically condition the hair to make it softer, and also obviously to put more darkness and a bit more pigment into the white and the grey hair. So I've been using it for a little while now, and this is why I reordered and then found on the site all the different new products as well, which I'm really excited about. So I can kind of give you a bit of background about this because I have actually used this before. So I used it for about 3-4 weeks, I think, and I didn't really notice on the sides of my hair, both sides, a gradual decrease in the white hairs. So that was great. I mean, I've never really thought I would be using a product for white and grey hairs, because I always thought that all the dyes look super fake, like super fake. And so I never thought I'd be one of these guys to go for. I thought I'd go natural, but I mean, no guy really wants to have grey hair, right, or white hair. So I thought, why not? For getting the product, I didn't want anything to irritate my skin or my hair. So that really helped me to get this product. So you can see it just popping out, so it's full right to the top. So just to wipe it in, I'm not going to obviously put it in my hair right now, but you can see it does lather up quite nice, like a shampoo. And it's got a very nice smell as well. So this is the Gradual Shampoo for the darkening of the hairs, right? So I've been using this for 2 to 3 weeks, and it's been functioning, it's been working really well. Also, one other thing just to mention is that you can use it every day. So you can use it, I think, up to the point where you're happy with how dark the greys and the whites have gotten. This actually had me sold right from the beginning to try something natural, which we never really got before, right? So it's a really new product, and I want to share this because it does work, especially for guys like me in their mid-40s. You're kind of trying to get a little bit back, and it did seem to work. I feel a little bit younger than 45 right now, so I'm very happy.